Hello, welcome to my home lab. In this video I want to explain how to use Visual Studio Code Remote SSH without a password. We will use the SSH keys from the previous videos. Start with opening Visual Studio Code. I'll show you first the extensions we have installed: Docker, Remote SSH. If we try to open a remote window, current window to host, my home lab, you see we need a password. We close the connection and do it again. This time configure SSH host. The first one, you remember this file from the last video. It's very important, the first one, my home lab. You see, we don't have the SSH file from this one and this one. So it's very simple. Copy and paste it there. We close it and it's automatically saved. Open a remote window again. Connect current window to host, my home lab, and we are connected without the need for a password. We open folder, bash scripts, and we have the test SSH file from the video before. You can also connect to Docker. You have the containers, the images, the registries, volumes, and all without the need for a password. This was it for today. Thank you very much and see you later. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new content. Like the video. Thank you very much. See you later.